How to win the snake game. This is after I already just beat it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Honestly, I like starting out small because I feel like it's harder when you're already big to gain your points as fast. So I like to go and follow those two red dots on the map, the ones that have circles around them, because that's where you find a lot of the other snakes, and that way you can start killing them and collecting them. I don't like to go exactly right in the middle of that, but I like to go around it. See, now it disappeared. So now we got nowhere to go. We're just gonna chill here. Come on, buddy. Now, some kills are easier than others. Like this one was just too easy. Like, I don't know if it's like a new player, they don't know how it works. For somebody who has played for a while and knows how to play correctly, it's not that easy to kill, and you'll see that. So, still no dot. Sometimes when I'm big enough, I like to encircle them. Ooh, hold up. There's more here. You always kind of want to go where there's more. Like if you can collect it and encircle it within yourself, those little dots are safe. The things that you're collecting. I like to call them the ashes because they're like the ashes of the other snakes. But whatever. You can call them however you like. They kind of look like Dippin' Dots now. Maybe that's why I like this game so much. I actually don't even try to bother the small ones at all because I feel bad for them. I hate when I'm small and like a big one is gunning down for me. Like, how much value am I really gonna add to you? Come on now. Just killing me for fun, huh? But I'm nice like that, so. Ooh. And that's because I have invincibility. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, let's get out of here. Where are we going? Oh, come on, let me kill you. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Wait, what? I thought that was the same snake. Sometimes I like to get like a little booster. That way nobody messes with me when I collect all my stuff. So, ooh, ooh. Come on, let me use it on you guys. You also got to be careful because this runs out at a certain time. You also don't want to be in the middle of getting somebody and then it runs out on you and then you die because now you don't have that invincibility anymore. I have a lot on top that I missed. Ooh, we're number 1. Look at that. That was quick. Oof. Alright, fine. He doesn't want to be caught. Ooh. Where's my invincibility? Sometimes they're hard to find. But it is possible to use the thing. It is possible to not use invincibility and still win the game. Because at the end of the day, you really don't need invincibility. It's just nicer and easier. It kind of gives you a little advantage for a little while, but it's not a necessity. So don't be upset if you can't find it. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, let me go over here. Let me go over here. Come on, let me kill you. Woo! Look at that. That went better than expected. Okay. Come on. So I like to call this is probably the spawning part. So there's a space where all the new snakes start off. And sometimes they start in the middle of the map, and sometimes there's like a place where they all start. So if you go there, it's very easy to kill them. Now, you're not going to collect a lot, but because there's so many, you gain a lot of points. So they're all probably like 100 or less, but you gain so much because there's like a lot of them there. And so you're collecting a lot at one time, and they all seem to die because they have invincibility for about couple seconds, and then they need to get out of the entrapment. If you've played this game before, then you know what I'm talking about, but I'm bad at explaining, so if you haven't, you'll understand soon. Okay, we are at 14,000. So the way you win this game is you see right under the map, it says 51%. You need to reach 100%. You need to be like 100% of the board. And so usually that's around 30,000. So we're about halfway there. But you guys are going to see it's going to be harder and harder for me to maintain my score. I'm going to have to be constantly eating these things. So that's why it gets harder. You start to actually lose points if you don't collect them. So they do try to make it harder for you. That's why I try to stay next to that spawning part. That way I always have something. I try not to... Oh, I didn't even want to bother this one. Let's see. There's a lot over here. Wow. All right, we are at 56%. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Trying to find a good spawning part. And you gotta also be careful because you gotta actually die from the little ones. You gotta just know it's all about placement. It's all about placement. You gotta get out before and watch your head, because your head is the most important part here. If anybody hits your head, you're done. All right, I feel kind of entrapped a little bit. Ooh. Okay. Okay, you see? Boom. He really tried it though. He really did that little one. You guys saw that? Okay, this is where you want to go ahead and collect them all. So a lot of snakes are going to be trying to go to that part. So it's kind of like you versus them versus the little ones, you see? This girl. So sometimes I like to get away and see what's around because sometimes I see more. Remember, you also need to watch out for the ones that do have invincibility. Just know that it lasts only a couple seconds, and you just need to find the best way to get away from them. Alright, sometimes I like to encircle this area if I could. If not, that's alright. Oh my god. All because my phone. It's alright. It's gonna make us start off with halfway. Just horrible. But we're still on the board, so I guess that's kind of not as bad. This is when I get really desperate and I start encircling everybody. It's alright. We'll get back quick. Don't worry. You see, they don't show a circle. I don't know what that means. I guess there is really no hot spot. But every single time there should be a spawn. Oh, wow, I'm back on top. That was easy. Well. Also, when you have invincibility, if you're gonna stack up, so if there's a lot of invincibility, either do it right away or do it one at a time. Because if you, for example, get invincibility and it's towards the end and then you get another invincibility, you actually lose the invincibility quicker. I don't know why they do that, but they do. So just watch out for that as well. Because I learned that the hard way. So, okay. Okay. Oh, this is the worst part. It's like I just had 15,000. Why must I start from 10? Ooh, who did I kill? The worst part about being so big is that you don't even know who you killed. Ooh. Excuse me, sir. Those are mine. Thank you. Come again. I don't know what's wrong with my screen. My phone, it's like not letting me turn as fast. Okay. I gotta go around all this so that way I don't get in the midst of it. Honestly, I don't even care about that one. Now I do care about these two. These two would be nice. Gain the fire. So you guys see that my snake now has a little fire emoji, right? That just gives me speed. And there's different types of like little things that you could get on your skin. There's like invincibility, not invincibility, invisibility, so no one sees you on the map. So when there's like a black spot, and then you could kind of like surprise them and kill them type of deal. I don't like that. There's also like growth increase, which is nice, but I like the speed one because honestly, speed is what's gonna help you in this game. If you could beat them with speed, that's what you need. That's the key in this game, is to be faster. So the faster you are, the less things your little ashes that you're using, and so that's the best. Ooh, come on. There we go. All right. Ooh, this is a good one when they're clumped up like this. Okay. There we go. We're back to where we started finally. I'm sorry. I really didn't mean to kill him. As I was gunning down for him. No, I'm kidding. Come on, come on. This guy would love to kill. Fine, guy. Fine. He doesn't want me to kill him. Not yet. I'll wait for a better opportunity. All right, where should I go next? Oh, this is the spawning point. So I'm gonna grab one of these, double it with this, and go over here and hope for the best. Wow, somebody's on top of me? What? Who is it? Wow. Well, that's the game. All right, let's go to that, closer to that dot. It's like really hard because there's like so much traffic here. Oh no. Oh, this is the girl. I should just kill her, to be honest, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough. Ooh. Oh my God, she almost just killed me. My God, I had a heart attack. Let me get this real quick and do this again. All right, this is the spawning point. Okay. I'd like to take over this part, and I believe I did. I'm back on top. I think I killed her. Oh. You gotta stay away from those that have the fire up. See, now it's getting interesting. Ooh, perfect. No! Oh my God, I thought I almost died. Oh my God. So I actually beat the game already at 30,000. This has been frustrating. Lord, I'm out for now.